Hi guys, here is a quick way I found to list all my pandas on OpenSea without much input from my end. So I'm gonna use macro recorder. It's standard. You can use any mouse click recorder software you can find. This one I got, I will put the link in the description. It's this one. So we all know how to use this probably, but I found a few tricks to upload, to list all the items quickly. So I'm gonna first show you the trick and then I'm gonna do it again with the macro recorder. So the first thing I did was to display using this view. This way you just have to click here. It's gonna select 80 items or how many items you have ready to be listed. And then you can click here. It only lists 50 items, so you just click here. We all know how to do this. I'm gonna show you the next trick though. For those ones, I'm gonna add a price of 0.1, and then I'm gonna list them for 6 months. Make sure to click here, click here. It's gonna list. So far, nothing very new. However, the trick, the issue we have all the time is that it's hard to find the one that are not listed. So this is where my trick comes in. So once you're here and you've done with the listing, they all appear here, right? And so if you click here and show only the listed, you will see I only have 50, even though I have 2,000 of them. So you click and select the 50, and then you hide them. They are not here anymore, right? So once you click on collect, you only see the unlisted ones. And that's how you can do it quickly instead of having to scroll, finding the one that are not listed and everything like some of us have as issues. You can see here. So right now, I'm gonna repeat this. For most people, this might be enough, but I'm gonna repeat this with the macro recorder if you want to see how to use the macro recorder. So same thing, you have a macro recorder here. Most of them look about the same. Record a new macro. Okay, and basically do whatever you have to do here. So I'm gonna do a reload just to make sure my recorder is happy with this. Okay, so once again, click here. Sorry, I should not scroll. Click here, list the items, enter a price, validate, choose the month, validate, list. So the macro recorder is also recording the waiting time. You can change it, but I would suggest to keep it running because sometimes OpenSea is a bit slow to refresh, so this way you're sure to have it refresh. Scroll down, click on the arrow, sign. It should take like about 15 seconds. Now we have this, cancel. Check the listed. The listed are here. Hide. And just to make sure you can unlist them. And this is where you stop your macro. So once you're done recording, you have your macro here. And you can see every action. If you click on it, you will see where the mouse was going, the waiting time, you can change them. If you want everything to go faster, you can just double click and edit. However, I do prefer to have a bit more waiting time and make sure everything is being refreshed. Sometimes your macro might go faster than the refreshing time, and then everything stops. So you can just go here and play it once and check everything. You can also go at the very bottom and add one more action, which is the repeat from start to end. And you can either repeat a certain amount of time, like repetitions, 2000 for instance, or for 2 hours, or I choose 20 minutes, but whatever you want. And okay, you will see it adds a last action here. Of course, you want to save the file. I already did, so no need to put a name, but you can put a name if you want. And then just press play, and everything hopefully will work. So this is now the macro running. It's slightly different than the one you saw me recording because I had a little issue, I had to redo it. So this one's slightly different, but the actions are the same, it's just a bit faster. This is the part where sometimes OpenSea is a bit slow. So if you see that your macro is too fast and clicking on the cross on the top right here, if the macro is clicking too fast, then you can just extend the time. But this is why I prefer to have a bit more. Same here, I want to make sure everything is refreshed. This is why I waited a little bit. Now the 50 items, sometimes it's gonna select 47 or something, but it's fine. It's gonna redo them later. Okay, this is the first round, and now the macro will repeat by itself, so we start again. Okay, so once you've done listing all of them, this should be empty. Right now I still have some, but just for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm gonna stop here. So the last thing you want to do is go to more, check all your hidden items, which are all the ones that you listed. You will have to scroll to the very, very bottom. So this might take you a little bit of time. You can make them smaller, it will go faster, and you can zoom out. Here, if you zoom out, you will have more at once on the screen. Anyway, and then you click on any of them and select all and unhide, and you will have all your NFTs ready and being displayed. I hope this is helpful for any of you, and feel free to leave any comments. Thank you guys.